Alberta's government is proud to be investing $6 million over the next 3 years for the Reside program. In each of the next 3 years, 20 new family physicians will receive $2 million to start practicing in rural or remote communities of need. New family physicians will be eligible for $60,000 for undergraduate tuition fee reimbursement, as well as remote community incentive ranging from $20,000 to $40,000. The amount of community incentive will depend on the remoteness of the community where they are working. There are 15 communities that have been initially identified for eligibility in the first year of the program. They are as follows: Fox Creek, Grand Cache, Fort Vermilion, Wabasca, High Level, Rimbey, Lloydminster, Milk River, Cold Lake, Lac La Biche, Rocky Mountain House, Fort Macleod, Barrhead, Ponoka, and Athabasca.
Our dedicated team of rural consultants who serve in communities across rural Alberta will be working with local volunteers to ensure Reside participants are welcomed and integrated into their new homes. In addition, our housing team will help new physicians find accommodations, including 3 months of free housing while they get settled into their new communities. And I think this is really kind of the gateway opportunity to get people into the community. And we know, as Minister mentioned, from our own data from our PAP, that the earlier and longer you can expose rural physicians and all rural healthcare providers in a community to that type of practice, they're more likely to want to continue in that type of practice. I know that's certainly been true for a lot of the medical students and residents that we welcomed into our communities, and that's a very vibrant program that we support as well too. And I think this is just one other piece of facilitating and removing perhaps some financial barriers. If people have the worry, as Minister mentioned, to set up a practice, if we can help them overcome some of those initial financial challenges with establishing themselves in rural Alberta, I think this will be a great help.